Yo, I'm going in here. Oh shit. Literally almost broke my neck. Alright, what's up YouTube? We are live at the Paint Mines Interpretive Park here in Colorado, about 30 minutes outside of Colorado Springs. Look at this. Beautiful day outside today. These guys out here shooting. Cyrus. Say what's up, man.
What's up?
And Dre. Yeah, I'll link their Instagrams down below. But we about to get some epic shots and some epic B-roll today. And I'll see you in a few. I hope I don't bust my walking down this. But here we go. Back at it. Hard climb. There we go. Go this way. He walked all the way over there. That's one shot.
Hey, Sai, try to sit on one of them.
This is absolutely the best place for a wide angle lens. I am rocking the 14 to 24 2.8. Boom. Let's see. This is great. All right, Dre, favorite thing about photography?
Favorite thing about photography? Capturing a moment.
Okay.
I feel like being able to capture something and then alter it to fit the way that pleases the eye, something that you can never trade, you know?
Okay.
It's an art.
It's an art, and he spoke. Favorite thing about photography?
All of it.
That's what I'm talking about. Spoken like a true shooter. This vlog has absolutely served zero purpose today other than for your entertainment and for our picture taking. Not bad out here today. Great day. Why didn't I go up there? Yeah, I see it. See if I can't find me a nice little spot. This ice right here. If I fall and bust my butt, just call mom. Alright, so this is what I came here for. I'm about to take the world's most epic selfie. Can't even call it a selfie because I'm about to put the camera on a tripod. But the goal is to stand on this right here and get a photo from right here. So I get all of this. Bingo. So I am going to set you down for a second, and then I'm going to come and go hiking. Right after I set the camera up, of course. Oh my goodness, look. Going over there next. Yeah. Alright. Got the tripod set up. They're doing their thing. I'm gonna try to hike over here and get this thing, and I have the remote. Yeah, this is good. Are you gonna stand right there? Just in case my camera falls, you stand behind it. Cause that would suck if my camera actually did fall. Look at these Air Force One prints. It's crazy. Freaking crazy. Now I gotta try to figure out how to get over here. Alright. Okay, this is easy. Easy does it. Maybe not so easy after all. Woo! Not gonna lie, kind of nervous. Cause there's a slant on this side. Woo! I probably ain't gonna be able to make it down there. But yeah. Did it take the photo? Woo! Another day, another dollar. Is it snapping? Nothing like it. All right. Cool beans. Hopefully he doesn't destroy himself. And I'm trying to set up for the next shot. They are about to pop off a smoke bomb right here. Please. He's gonna throw him the 70 to 200, 2.8 from there to there. Yo, this is gonna be the thumbnail. So, right now in this crevice, let's see where I'm going to. Following the unknown trail. That's what we're doing. If a bear comes out and eats me, I'm at the Paint Mines Interpretive Park. Y'all might want to come this way and bring all of that shit. This shit is dope. Yeah. Yo, I'm going in here. Oh shit. Literally almost broke my neck. It's slippery. So much ice. Hey, it's like a cave. I'm going in there. Alright. Going back to my camera bag. My favorite thing, whew, a lot of breath. My favorite thing about photography is there are no rules. Do anything I want. Absolutely anything. Literally in almost a cave. Yeah. We are not alone. These guys, let me tell you about these guys. My bad. These guys shoot Sony. Ah! And I'm sure a Canon photographer would laugh at me too if they knew I shot Nikon. But I love Nikon. Always love Nikon. Alright, I officially have to close out this vlog because I seriously just hurt myself. And it's pretty bad, it's gross. But, yes. And until, if you want to see the photos from today's adventure, go ahead and be sure to check out my Instagram. I will link the other 2 Instagrams down below. And as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.